In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Notion. Formulas can seem a bit daunting at first, but they're incredibly powerful tools that can help you automate calculations and make your Notion workspace more efficient. We'll start from the very beginning, showing you how to create a formula property, and then move on to some basic formula examples. Let's get started. To begin, we need to create a formula property within your Notion database. First, open your desired Notion database. You'll see a column or a set of columns depending on how your data is organized. Look for the option labeled Plus Add Property and give it a click. A new menu will pop up displaying different types of properties you can add to your table or database. From this list, select Formula. This action will create a new column where you can input your calculations. Next, you'll want to click on the newly created formula field. This is where the magic happens. This field is essentially a calculator that can handle various types of calculations, from basic arithmetic to more complex logic statements. To write your formula, simply type it into the formula field. Let's walk through a couple of examples to illustrate how you can use these formulas effectively. In our first example, let's see how to calculate numbers using formulas in Notion. Imagine you have a database that tracks expenses and you want to calculate the total cost by adding together a price and tax. You can write the formula as prop price plus prop tax. The prop function refers to the property you're pulling data from, in this case into price and tax. So if the price is set to 100 and the tax to 10, your formula will calculate the total as 110. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to compute totals directly within your Notion pages. Now let's explore calculating percentages. Suppose you're tracking tasks and want to know what percentage of your tasks have been completed. You'll use a formula like prop completed, prop total. 100. This formula divides the number of completed tasks by the total number of tasks, and then multiplies the result by 100 to convert it into a percentage. It's a practical way to keep a pulse on your project progress right inside Notion, and as you've noticed, it's the same type of expression you might use in a spreadsheet. Once you've written out your formula in the field, simply click Done to save it. Your formula is now live, and the resulting calculations will update automatically as you modify the data in your other columns. Notion's formula feature is truly a game changer for efficiency and productivity. By implementing these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the basics of formulas, allowing you to harness the full potential of your Notion workspace. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide helps you become more proficient with Notion's formula capabilities.